Hi, I'm Anne Mallaby, and we're going to be studying together in this next semester, or I invite you to come on this journey as we look at the whole essence of theology and pastoral care. I've been teaching the area of practical theology for many years now, and most particularly this area of pastoral theology here at Whitley for the past 4 and a bit. And what I'm curious about is exploring how it is we engage with one another. What are the things that we need? What are the tools that we need? But also, what is the theological undergirding of that? This is about how we journey with one another to invite one another to life, if you like. How we journey with one another to enrich ourselves. We talk in pastoral care about the notion of I need you to advance my humanness and you need me. And at its very essence, God is discovered in that exchange. Theologically, it sits right back with notions of the intersubjective experience that occurs between us, which we see in John's letters, which we see in the pastoral letters of Paul. It's bedded right there in our traditional stories. There are a couple of things in this course that I think are very distinct. One of them is that we'll invite a few guests in, and those guests will talk about pastoral care in particular contexts. What's it like to be the pastor of a big church and to care for that context? What is it like to be the pastor or offer pastoral care within a hospital context? What's it like to be a chaplain? What's it like to use creativity as a means of teasing out the exchange that occurs between us and helping people to name their experience creatively? So we'll be able to enjoy the benefits of the experience and the wisdom of people in the field. We'll also have the opportunity to do some tools, some actual basic skills in pastoral care, which I think is really important. And then around those things, there will be the opportunity to look at some of the theological principles and some of the undergirdings of pastoral care, the ethics of care, boundaries around care, what it means, what models of pastoral care there have been for us. So pastoral care, the theology and practice of pastoral care, is really something that will equip you in the first stages toward pastoral care. I hope, of course, down the track you'll do some more pastoral care units with me, but at this point it's about the beginning of unpacking the skills that means that we can care for one another, be in community together, and recognise that God is present to us. The unit will be held on Tuesday afternoons, and you're welcome to join me in class. This is both an undergraduate and postgraduate unit, so there'll be a breadth of experience available for you. So I'm looking forward to making the journey together.